Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. Now, let's get to today's video. I don't know what I just said, but we're going to let that ride out. So, I feel like I am probably the last person in the world to unbox this doll, but life has happened and I've been living it. And that's just what we're going to say about that. But the excitement has not left. I've been waiting for this girl for so long. I'm ready to take this all in. I can't believe I've been this patient. So you really know that life has been busy because I've been waiting for her for a very, very long time, it feels like. And she's been sitting here waiting for me, I think, for just the same amount of time. I've already taken her out of the box. I just didn't take the tissue paper off. So we're going to do that now. I just love the texture on the new face boxes. It's just, I don't know. There's just something about it that's just so good. Put that in the garbage right down there. Just having my moment feeling out the box because like to feel the box. Are you ready? I know I'm ready, but are you ready? You're probably over it because I'm sure everyone's seen it. Okay. Oh, the under boob. It's because of the ankle. Sorry, that's why I said that first. What is that? Well, here's the story card, which I'm so thankful they are back. I've heard so much about them. I've obviously had a few. I have a few now. But it's still so exciting to see them. I wish I was a quick reader because I would have read it. But we're not gonna do it in this video. We just not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Can I not put it back? Wow, that took forever. Hi. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay. I almost thought she had to scratch her nose, and that would have not been a cute moment. Oh, it's so pretty. She's so pretty. Okay. By the way, don't know if you've noticed, if you follow me on Instagram, Bionic Doll Agent, I always tag it at the bottom. This will be my first Rayna. Yeah, believe it or not. In 3 years of collecting, this would be my first Rayna. I've also known there's a lot of other faces that I don't have yet because Integrity's been using the same ones. Hi, beautiful. Ooh, look at those nails. Okay. Now, if this is your first time in my channel, I would like to let you know, I like to unbox the doll off the camera. I want to have a one-on-one with her, you know what I'm saying? So, I will come right back. We will be looking at her first ensemble because she's a gift set. She comes with the pieces. So, I will show her in her fullness, first look. I will change her into her second look. And as per usual on my channel, if you don't already know, I'm going to restyle her in something different. I actually have a fashion pack from Mattel that's been waiting for her. So I'm going to be styling that in this video. So get ready because there's going to be a lot of fashion on this Rayna right now. If you've been to this channel, you know the drill. I love me a good miniature shoe, and these right here are something to look at. Mostly because, if I'm not mistaken, at least for me, this is a brand new style, and I love them because I didn't have to buckle them. It was a really nice kind of slim back shoe, sling back shoe. So super easy to put on, and I just love that. I love when a shoe is really simple and still looks good. So love, love, love. Also, while we're down here, this small button detail at her pants, stunning. So we're gonna call this look one. I decided to kind of keep her in what she was in the box and just not put the coat. I kind of want to see the coat with the skirt in the bottoms. So we're gonna try that next. So here she's rocking the pants with the tops, like I said when she was in the box. And I put the chain. There we go. I was like, is my phone gonna focus? I put the chain on the glasses. I really, really, really love that detail. Currently, my Rayna is not wearing her earrings because she got no pierced ears. So I gotta figure that out. So, no earrings right now. Also, the wave in her hair. Yes. Girl, you are worth the wait for me. Just absolutely stunning. And also just the pieces. Like, at least these right here. I mean, the coat is next. I haven't even taken it out, and I've heard some horrible things about it, but she herself, stunner. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to start at the shoe again, because once again, the second pair of shoes she came with are also a pair of shoes that I don't think I've seen before. And although they have a buckle, it's more decorative. It was like a pump. I was able to like slip them in, and they went on pretty easy. So love that. And also just love the fact that there was a second option of shoes. She's considered a gift set, I think, because she came with 2 pairs of shoes and 2 bottoms. So for this look, she's wearing the skirt. And I have a funny story. I went to take the skirt out of the bag, and then that like long stringy piece of fabric came out. I forgot that she had a scarf. I had to go look at the promo photos to realize that that's what that was. I might end up using that as something else down the road as I style, but for now, I decided to make it a scarf with this look so you can see it, but there's a lot of that fabric going on. I went back to the shoes because they wanted the happy place with this outfit. The coat. Yeah, I'm definitely one of those people that does not try to get influenced by the comments that are on Instagram, because a lot of people just say a lot of stuff. Oh, hello, blanket in the back. The idea was great, and I don't know what coat they had in the promo, but this just isn't it. I even purposely left it off the shoulders just so I don't have to mess around with it too much. But as you can tell over here, this arm was extremely hard to put in. The lining is just, it's just so wrong. Like, it's just so wrong. I really don't know if I'm actually ever going to use this coat ever again. Hi, beautiful. You're stunning. The coat still doesn't take that away from you. But yeah, this is bad. It's bad. And even here, like, it looks like a bad poodle that needs some definition. I think I still see feathers. You might not be able to see them on the phone, but I do. But yeah, I don't love the coat. And here she is in the second look. Now let's see what she would look like in something completely different. And okay, now for her final look, like I mentioned earlier, I got this shirt dress from one of the Barbie fashion packs, one of the recent ones. And I don't know, for the moment I saw it, I wanted to pair it with some like white thigh-high boots. So I did just that. I kept her accessories, meaning like the bag and the glasses as well as her rings, from the set that she came. And I don't know, she's giving me like a mix of 80s and 70s, like fashion killer. I don't know, but it just feels so different, but yet edgy and forward, and I really like it actually. See if the camera's gonna focus. There we go. Also, there's something about the color of this shirt dress on her that's just so amazing. And the colors in a way kind of complement themselves together. I mean, so yeah, this is Miss Rayna, restyled and dressed. I guess I'm having a bright color moment, obviously, with the look behind. Guess where I'm at in life. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video with me right here on my channel, Just Christopher. I hope you enjoyed my video with Rayna today, unboxing her because she was absolutely stunning. Now, like I said at the top of the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button with the bell notification because a little birdie told me there's a lot of things coming. Like a lot of things coming. I've been waiting on a lot of things. And it looks like a lot of it is coming. So, I hope you're ready for this fall because it's about to be real busy. Okay? Until next time, guys. Bye.